Dear all students, good morning to all of you. I pray to God for a happy day. I am sure that you are safe and healthy at home and your study is going smoothly forward. Please continue it up. All of you are future of divine science of homeopathy. I requested to you take immunity booster and prophylaxis against viral disease arsenic album 30. Please take it yourself and give to your family members and also distribute about 21 family in your surrounding. I think that an average 200 to 215 rupees will be enough for this royal job and serve humanity. That will surely remember in your lifelong. Now I will discuss the remaining part of virus. Now come to the resistance. Mostly viruses are heat level. They inactivated within seconds at 56 degrees centigrade, within minutes at 37 degrees centigrade, and for days at 4 degrees centigrade, and at minus 70 degrees centigrade they may be stored long. Resistance to acid is variation. All viruses destroy in alkaline medium. Viruses inactivated by sunlight, ultraviolet, and ionization radiations. Viruses are more resistant than bacteria to chemical disinfectants, and this is due to the lack of enzyme system in viruses. Most active antiviral disinfectants are oxidizing agents like hydrogen peroxide, KMNO4, and hypochlorites. Organic iodine compounds and chlorine are effective against viruses. Formaldehyde and beta propiolactone are virucidal and used in kill viral preparations. Due to presence of glycolipids on enveloped viruses, they are sensitive to lipid solvents like ether, chloroform. Antibiotics against bacteria are completely ineffective against viruses. And now we discuss about the viral multiplication. Viral multiplication cycle is studied in 6 sequential phases like adsorption or attachment, penetration, uncoating, biosynthesis, maturation, and release from host cell. Now the first point, the adsorption. Adsorption is selective process. The cell surface should contain a specific receptor site to which virus get attached. In case of influenza virus, the hemagglutinin on virus surface get attached to glycoprotein receptor site on the surface of respiratory epithelium. Sequential interaction take place between specific viral membrane, glycoprotein, and cell membrane receptors. And cell receptors are found on cell surface, that is proteoglycans. on the basis of complementary resistances present on host cell and viral membrane. Binding between host cell and viral membrane take place before entering the virus within the host cell. In human deficiency virus, attachment is between CD4 receptors on the host cell and viral surface glycoprotein GP120. In poliovirus, receptor is lipoprotein present on surface of primate but not rodent cell. The poliovirus can therefore attack itself to the primate cell but not on the rodent cells. Differences in susceptibility to viral infection depends on the presence or absence of receptor on cells. Now the second step is penetration. Bacteria passes rigid cell wall. Bacterioviruses cannot therefore penetrate into bacterial cell and only nucleic acid is introduced intracellularly by a complex mechanism. Animal cells do not have rigid cell wall and the whole virus can enter into animal cells. Virus particle may be engulfed by process viropraxis resembling phagocytosis. In case of enveloped viruses, viral envelope may fuse with plasma membrane of host cell and release the nucleocapsid in the cytoplasm. Now the next step is uncoating. Uncoating is the release of viral nucleic acid into the cell, mostly by action of lysosomal enzymes of the host cell. Next step is the biosynthesis. Biosynthesis process involves the synthesis of nucleic acid, capsid protein and several enzymes, regulator proteins used in future for sequential production of viral components. Now next step will be maturation. In the process of assembly of daughter viruses, after the synthesis of viral nucleic acid and proteins, viral assembly may take place in host cell, nucleus or cytoplasm. Herpes and adenoviruses are assembled in nucleus, while picorna and pox viruses are assembled in the cytoplasm. At this stage, the non-enveloped viruses are present intracellularly as fully developed virion. But in case of enveloped viruses, only nucleocapsid is completed. Enveloped are derived from host cell membrane during the process of budding. Herpes viruses assemble in the nucleus acquire their envelope from the nuclear membrane as they are released into cytoplasm enclosed into a vesicles. Now next step is the release. Bacteria viruses progeny released by lysis of infected bacteria. In case of animal viruses, release usually occurs without cell lysis. There is a phase in the virus cycle that is known as eclipse phase. From the stage of penetration till the appearance of mature daughter virions, the virus cannot be demonstrated inside the host cell. This period during which viruses seem to disappear or underground is known as eclipse period. The time of single cycle of replication is about 15 to 30 minutes for bacteriophage and about 15 to 13 hours for animal viruses.